Today we're checking out the MP Concepts LED side markers for the 2024 and newer Mustangs. If you're looking to give your Mustang's exterior lighting a sharper, more modern upgrade, then these are definitely worth checking out. These LED side markers deliver a slick visual boost and improve visibility at the same time. Featuring crisp, razor-sharp LED strips, they dramatically replace that dull factory bulb with maybe some hot spots in there with a clean, modern line. The smoked polycarbonate lens provides a stealthy, subtle look that's aggressive without being too flashy. Inside, the high output LEDs are gonna shine brighter, which means the other drivers are gonna notice you more quickly on the road, and it adds a nice little aftermarket touch along the way. As an added bonus, the light housings are built with weather-sealed ABS plastic designed to resist those elements and keep everything functioning reliable over time. Installation is gonna be effortless. You just unplug the old markers, plug in the new ones with no wiring or cutting needed. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. Crafted from injection molded ABS plastic for strength, these markers pair durable housings with that smoked polycarbonate lens that's going to resist UV damage and minor impacts, so they won't fade or get hazy over time due to that high quality polycarbonate. Inside, the high quality LED strips ensure bright, uniform illumination backed by a solid weather sealed design that keeps moisture and debris out long term. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, they're coming in right around that low 100s price range. Given the modern LED lighting upgrade, stylish smoked finish, and the inclusion of both front and rear markers, it's a solid value for refreshing your Mustang's exterior. Installation on this is very simple with the plug-and-play design, so it's rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in just 20 minutes of your time. So let's head on out to the shop, and we're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a plastic pry tool. What's up guys? Today we're installing side markers on our Mustang, so let's get started. So to remove our side markers, we're just gonna grab a plastic pry tool. We're gonna get right in at the top to pop that clip out, and then we can just lift up, disconnect our connector, and remove it. So just get in there, pop it out, and then we're gonna press in on the tab on that connector and disconnect it. And once you have one out, you can do that exact same thing for the other 3. So now we can install our new side marker. You just wanna grab the one that matches up with the hole. Now there's gonna be one with a yellow wire and one with a red wire. The yellow is gonna be for your front side markers and the red's gonna be for the rears. So once you got that figured out, just go ahead and plug your connector in, tuck the wire back into the hole, and then we're gonna clip this down into the bottom first, and then just press the top in to click it into place. Do that same thing for your other 3. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the MP Concepts LED side markers for your 2024 and newer Mustang. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.